Emily with Lake Lifter, introducing the solar-powered boathouse lighting kit, a safe and cost-effective way to illuminate your boathouse at night. This kit includes a solar panel, universal mounting arm, powerful LED light, wall switch, and control box, which includes the replaceable battery and charge controller. Install the solar panel in an area that receives maximum sunlight. Securely tighten the mounting arm. Install the light in your desired location. Install the switch. Then run the cables up to the control box.